Good day everyone, and today we're going to be dealing with quadratic equations by completing the square, right? So let's say we have a quadratic equation, right, where we need to solve x, right, for the quadratic equation. Firstly, what we want to do is we want to take the middle term, right, the b term, right? So the standard form for quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c, right? So we have a variable with an exponent, we have a coefficient and a variable, and then we have a constant, right? We want to take this, the middle term over there, which is the 10x divided by 2, right, and then square the value, and then we get the value of 25. So that's the process about going to complete the square. And then what we'll have is we'll place the 25 in two sides of the equation, right? We'll place it in the bracket like this. We will make 25 the constant, and then we'll place it again in another section. So it's going to be plus 25 and minus 25. And those two values will equal to 0, right, in the equation. So then what we'll have is we'll have x minus 5 squared, as we can make this a difference of squares. And then what we can also do is we'll add up these two values, and that will give us 36. We take the 36 on the other side, and then we can square root both sides, right? And then at the bottom over here, we can see once we square root both sides, we have 5x minus 5 is equal to plus minus the square root of 36, which is equal to 6. And then we'll have our two values, which is going to be 5 plus 6 and 5 minus 6. So our two values for x is 11 and negative 1. So that's the process going about completing the square. Just remember, we take the middle term, square root it, and then we place it in brackets and then separate it, and then we go about solving the equation. Thank you and goodbye.